How to turn on the ringer on iPhone. If your iPhone isn't ringing when you receive calls, follow these simple steps to turn the ringer back on. Check the ring/silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. If you see an orange or red indicator, your iPhone is in silent mode. Flip the switch so the orange or red indicator is no longer visible. Your iPhone is now in ring mode. Next, check if focus mode is enabled. Open the Settings app. Tap Focus. If Do Not Disturb or another focus mode is turned on, tap it and switch it off. You can also swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center and tap the Focus button to disable it. Now, check your ringtone volume. Open the Settings app. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringtone and Alerts, drag the volume slider to increase the ringtone volume. You can also tap Ringtone to make sure a ringtone is selected. If your iPhone still isn't ringing, restart your device. Turn your iPhone off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. After restarting, test the ringer by asking someone to call you. That's it. You've successfully turned the ringer back on and fixed your iPhone if it wasn't ringing for incoming calls. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.